If you don't want to spend money on expensive products and dream of glass skin, this video is for you. I'm sharing 5 easy Korean home remedies for glowing skin that really work, and the best part is, they're free to try. Before using any of these, don't forget to wash your face. Alright, let's get started. First is the rice mask. Take 1 cup of rice and add 3 cups of water. Boil it on high flame. Now lower the flame and let it cook. Cook it until it's 90% done, then put it in the blender. Add 4 tablespoons of honey, then blend it. After blending, squeeze 1 lemon into it. If your skin is sensitive, skip the lemon. Rice contains vitamins B and E that help brighten the skin, smooth texture, and give a natural glow. Honey is full of natural antioxidants and moisture, which keep the skin soft, hydrated, and clear. Lemon is rich in vitamin C, which helps reduce dullness, dark spots, and excess oil. Together, these ingredients help make the skin bright, fresh, and glowing naturally. The second one is the cucumber mask. Cut the cucumber into thin slices. Apply a thin layer of aloe vera gel on your face, then place the cucumber slices on top. Cucumber cools and refreshes the skin, while aloe vera soothes and deeply hydrates for a natural glow. The third one is rice water toner. Take 2 cups of rice, wash it well and add 4 cups of water. Let it soak for 2 hours, and your rice water toner is ready. Rice water toner brightens skin, tightens pores, controls oil, and soothes irritation. The fourth one is a yogurt and almond mask. Take 1 tablespoon yogurt or almond powder, 1 teaspoon aloe vera gel or honey, and mix well. The yogurt and almond mask brightens, softens, soothes, and gives your skin a natural glow. Green tea toner. Add 1 green tea bag to a cup of warm water and let it steep. Green tea toner calms the skin, reduces acne, controls oil, and gives a fresh glow. Before trying any home remedy, always do a patch test to check for reactions. If there's no irritation, you can safely use it on your face. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your favorite remedy.